Hey guys, so today I'll be doing an Etsy review for Galaxy Goo Slime. I'm really excited because they have a lot of creative slimes on their Etsy. Just kind of take a look at their page. It's super fun. So let's go ahead and kind of open up this package, take everything out. Just have a little note for me with what's inside. And I have 3 slimes here. I have extras. Let's check it out. It's really cute and winter themed. I love it. So this is Galaxy Goo Slime Care Sheet. This is really cool. I don't know what this is. This is cranberry pomegranate Mountain Dew scent. I guess you can add in the scent yourself. Ooh, extras, some Orbeez. That's a really unique extras. Comes with a Dum Dums lollipop and a cute little Swishies. Take a look at that. Cute. And I think I can actually smell this scent. It smells really good. It smells like winter. I guess that's a cranberry. But yeah, really cute squishy. And I'm guessing this will be the borax activator. It's the liquid, not powder. And looks like this is a glow-in-the-dark star, maybe? So far, extras, pretty unique with the Orbeez. Alright, so I have these, and I'll go ahead and start with this one right here.
Galaxy Goo, and a nice logo.
I believe this one is called Carnival Candy. Ooh. It looks like it's a floam. Just kind of got twisted to the side because of shipping. And it's this really pretty violet color, and it is not sticky at all, so that is always nice to receive a package and you don't have to do anything. You can just start playing with it. And this one smells really good. I feel like it smells somewhat like Starburst, like kind of like a mix of all the fruity flavors. And I really like the texture of this. It is not one bit sticky. It's just perfect, and the floam beads aren't falling out. Makes these awesome crackle pop noises. Yeah, I would totally recommend this. This is the 8-ounce Carnival Candy, and I just really like the colors and the floam beads. I love the texture. It's really glossy and clicky. Here I have a 6-ounce as well as a 4-ounce. Let's see. Start with this one. This is the 4-ounce. This is called Merry Mashup, and it looks like it's a clear red slime with maybe some fish bowl in it. It's really pretty. So this is really awesome. It's one of like the clearest colored slimes that I've seen like from the mail, just because sometimes it's not as clear as this, and this one's just really nice and clear and glossy. This one is a 6-ounce, and it's called Watermelon Jelly Cube. Right when I open it, it smells like watermelon candy, which is so amazing. So this one is a Jelly Cube clear slime, and it has some floam beads. And also, if you turn it, look at that, that's really cool. There's some kind of like iridescent purpley glitter in there. Yeah, this one is really fun. I think those glitters in there really make it special. I haven't really seen much slime like it. It's a really great combo. Like, you can just see it when you shift the slime, that iridescent glitter, and it's so pretty. I love the clear slime. It's really nice and clear, and the smell is awesome. It's very appropriately named, and also some fun jelly cube chunks. So yeah, check this out on their Etsy page. They have a lot more slimes that are also really creative. And the owner of the Galaxy Goo Etsy shop will actually be giving away a slime. So just check out their Etsy shop and comment your favorite slime from their Etsy shop, and more details on how to enter will be in the description box.